Our typical customer challenge is space. It's the volume that these are coming at. So it's high speed. You could have up to 1,000 products a minute. So imagine trying to have enough people to package those. You really can't do that without automation.
This is where Schneider comes in. With our automation solutions, we can solve challenges of meeting production needs while lowering their operating costs.
Schneider Packaging has been in business for almost 50 years. We provide unique custom solutions that are very specific to our customers' needs.
One of the things Schneider does is we use leading technologies. So we're always using leading technologies.
One of the biggest points is having a common program for everything. All the systems are identical across the palletizers. You can take one program or unit load from one and throw it onto the other, so you have the ability to run the same unit load across the board and be able to pick and choose where you run each product.
It's really about taking products and getting them into the cases, getting the cases onto the pallets, some cartoning, things like that, where it's high volume and it's just very suitable for automation.
At Schneider, we're always looking at ways to incorporate new technology as well as tried and true concepts that are proven in our customers' environments, all while implementing current safety standards, high quality components, and in-house design and manufacturing.
We're not just selling an off-the-shelf product. We're selling a product that's really based on all of our standards, supported, but fits that customer's needs.
It's important to our customers because each of their businesses, each of their products has unique characteristics, and no two customers' needs are alike. So we feel that that's why it's important for us to have a true understanding of what our customers are looking for and create a machine specific for their needs. We hope our customers take away what a great experience it is working with Schneider Packaging. From start to finish, we want to be true partners in a business relationship with them.